From the earliest times, there was a clear call towards vegetarianism in Hindu society. Yajurveda calls for kindness towards all creatures living on the earth, in the air, and in the water. You must not use your God-given body for killing God's creatures, whether they are human, animal, or whatever. Manu Samhita advises meat can never be obtained without injury to living creatures, and injury to sentient beings is detrimental to the attainment of heavenly bliss. Let him therefore shun the use of meat. After the Vedas pronounced that all beings are the family of one God, the Hindu mind became more established toward an attitude of reverence, benevolence, compassion, and auspiciousness toward all creatures. In effect, this certainly aroused people to wean themselves from eating meat. Soon, vegetarian food came to be considered as the sattvic food which is regarded fit for all spiritual practices. Veda Vyasa stated in Mahabharata, Ahimsa Paramo Dharma, non-violence is a primary religion. Hindus have taken to vegetarianism quite well, even though only about 20% of Hindus are completely vegetarians. The majority of the vast population does not consume meat like other communities such as Christians or Muslims do. Meat is not a staple or main diet for Hindus anywhere. They may eat meat once or twice in a week. They consume comparatively smaller quantities. They do not eat beef, and on the temple premises they do not serve any meat products. Medically, meat is now considered a relatively toxic substance for human consumption. Health authorities worldwide agree that heart attacks, cancers, and many other diseases are more prevalent in the meat-eating population than in the vegetarian population. Above all, the longevity of a person is inversely proportional to the amount of his meat intake. The more one eats meat, the fewer years one may live. Vegetarian food provides potassium to the body, which is considered a beneficial element. Human anatomical and physiological evidences lean in favor of vegetarianism. A human being's teeth, digestive tract, and other bodily mechanisms are akin to plant-eating animals, not to the carnivorous ones. There is an important ecological reason that is now becoming increasingly persuasive. Destruction of ancient rainforests is significantly related to creating pasture lands for livestock meant to provide the meat for human consumption. Studies at the University of Chicago showed that a typical American meat eater is responsible for nearly 1.5 tons more carbon dioxide a year than a vegan. By changing the flesh-eating habits of human beings, it would be possible to solve the massive problem of world starvation. It is said that 100 million people could be adequately nourished if only the Americans reduced their meat intake by a mere 10%. There has been a gradual increase in the non-meat eating population all over the world. At present, a rough estimate is that there are over 10 million people in the United States who are vegetarians. The vegetarian movement is undoubtedly marching ahead with great force. Sadhu Vaswani's birthday on November 25 is celebrated as International Meatless Day when millions of people around the globe pledge not to eat meat. One of the giant literary figures of the 20th century, George Bernard Shaw, wrote, "My stomach and body are not a crematorium or a cemetery for killed or dead animals. While we ourselves are the living graves of murdered beasts, how can we expect any ideal condition on this earth?" Albert Einstein said, "Nothing will benefit human health and increase the chances for survival of life on earth as much as the evolution to a vegetarian diet." Some people feel that vegetarian food is not easily available in most restaurants in the West. But now, with the increasing demand for the vegetarian meals, the catering industry is responding with many positive options. New international chain restaurants like Otarian, Los Angeles chain, Veggie Grill, etc. are opening up in different places with exciting vegetarian and vegan menu dishes. Compassion is the teaching of all religions. All sentient beings have feelings. Vegetarianism is a cause for millions of non-speaking members of the global community who are driven mercilessly toward the slaughterhouse day in and day out through no fault of their own. It is believed that an average meat-eating human being consumes the flesh of nearly 100 animals in his lifetime. More and more people now protest against the various types of cruelties involved in the killing of animals for procuring their meat. To a Hindu mind, however, any killing without a valid reason is an act of brutality. Hindus who believe in the absolute theory of karma consider the act of slaughtering as sinful, but they also dread the consequences of such acts very seriously. Hindus believe that there is a seed of the divine in all beings.